Hi, my name is Jean and this is my channel Learn with Jean. In today's video, I'm going to provide an update on Thinkific Commerce, specifically some of the changes that will affect users who are in the US, Canada, and UK. So specifically, these changes are always challenging. Changes affect people in different ways, specifically how they run their business, the kind of integrations they need for payments to support different currencies, different kinds of models. The idea is to share some of the updates, how this affects you, some of the benefits, some of the challenges, and to encourage anyone who is still concerned or confused to reach out to Thinkific support and explain some of the needs that your business has that may not be met by using Thinkific Commerce. First of all, Thinkific Commerce is pretty much Thinkific Payments, a payment gateway kind of platform. You can think of Thinkific Commerce as your all-in-one business suite. It handles payments, it processes transactions, helps you track revenues. There will be integrations with QuickBooks and other similar types of bookkeeping, accounting kind of software to help you understand how your business is doing and track and report sales. So with this said, Thinkific Commerce is really built on top of Stripe. So it functions similarly, but there are still some much needed improvements that are coming. And the team is very aware of that. But let's first of all talk about who this affects. If you are currently using Thinkific Commerce, there will be no change for you because you are continuing to use Thinkific Payments as your main payment processor. It helps you with a dashboard, helps you track your orders and refunds, performance. Really, that's the idea behind Thinkific Commerce. It's not just helping you manage and process payments, but also to help you sell more. With this integration inside Thinkific, you will continually see and notice that Thinkific wants to be your all-in-one platform to manage your business, to host your courses, to design your site, and much, much more. With this new change, they're hoping that the adoption will allow them to invest in the improvements in the platform to continually deliver more to customers and business owners so that you can run your business completely on Thinkific alone and navigate all your integrations within their platform. So let's talk about some of the changes. With this new Thinkific Commerce implementation, you can still use, if you opt out of using Thinkific Commerce and you want to go back to Stripe and or PayPal because there's a lot of APIs and webhooks and other features that are available that helps you run your business, then you can still opt out of Thinkific Commerce and use Stripe and PayPal. However, there will be a fee. Now, no one likes to hear about more fees. If you have any specific concerns, please reach out to Thinkific. I will also put a link below in the description below to the whole summary of what those fees look like. The reason why they're implementing this fee is they're really trying to encourage user adoption of Thinkific Commerce. Some of the other benefits is that if you're in Canada and you have different sales tax calculations for different regions and provinces, that is now built into Thinkific Commerce. Similarly, if you're in the US, sales tax, which used to be very challenging and confusing to calculate with different tools and different third-party integrations, is now built into Thinkific Commerce. So you don't have to worry about whether you're not charging sales tax or charging the right sales tax. Thinkific automatically calculates that for you. The bonus of using Thinkific Commerce is not only does it calculate the sales tax, it allows you to sell more, so you can add on upsells, you can do gifting. There's a lot of different payment options from not just credit cards, but also mobile pay. And the really idea is to encourage and increase sales for all customers. Now, if you are not already using Thinkific and if you're not already using Thinkific Commerce, you will automatically have to opt in. And like I said, if you opt out, you will have to pay a fee based on the transaction. I will include a link to that in the description below. This is also going to be helpful for customers in the UK to increase their sales, to take advantage of all the features within Thinkific Commerce Suite. Now, I know there are some also challenges with Thinkific Commerce, specifically with subscriptions. While you can charge people for subscriptions, it can be limiting with Thinkific Commerce to downgrade your subscription or pause your subscription and then resubscribe at a later time. So that is one of the limitations of Thinkific, is that it does not handle the subscriptions very well yet, but we are hoping that that's something that they are aware of and are working on in the near future. Some of the other questions that may come up are, how long does it take to migrate to Thinkific Commerce? I'm very busy and I'm, running my business and growing my business, and I don't have time to deal with the technical aspect of upgrading. I don't have time to deal with the technical challenge of migrating to Thinkific Commerce. And so migrating to Thinkific Commerce really only takes 10 minutes and it's very seamless. However, if you ever run into challenges, please do reach out to support. It is not the most ideal answer that everyone wants to hear, but Thinkific is committed to providing more support and more tools to help business owners and creators to manage and grow their business. If you are already on a plus plan, basically that's like the enterprise plan. This does not affect people who are looking to use the plus plan, and the fees are capped at sales 1 million a year. So as your business grows, the fees do hit a ceiling. The other question you may have is, if you are on Stripe or PayPal and you're looking to migrate to Thinkific Commerce, any existing subscriptions and our charges will take about 30 to 60 days to migrate over. But overall, I would say if you are new and unfamiliar with Thinkific Commerce, the idea and concept is really allowing you to manage and handle your business all within Thinkific. Even all these integrations with QuickBooks or bookkeeping, they really want to make it a seamless experience so that you're not having to navigate to all these different windows and browsers. You're really focused and staying in your Thinkific hub to develop and grow your business and keep track of sales. I hope this video helps. Let me know if you have any questions, concerns, and I'm going to put a link to the description. I'm going to put a link in the description below to some of the articles about the fees and some of the changes with Thinkific Commerce, so that some of you who are new might be wondering what this do with me. And that if you are new, this is a great bonus, because now Thinkific can help you continually manage, grow your business, and you can continue to leverage Thinkific for creating new products, selling different types of products, and hosting learning communities. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.